Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import assets in Affinity Designer. This is a great way to bring in reusable design elements, color palettes, and graphics that you can use across multiple projects, making your workflow much more efficient. Instead of recreating commonly used elements every time you start a new design, you can keep them organized in your Assets panel and access them whenever you need them. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application is open, you'll want to open your existing file, or you can create a new file to work with. This sets up your workspace so you're ready to start importing your assets. It doesn't matter whether you're working on a logo, illustration, UI design, or any other project, the process is exactly the same. Now, look at the upper left toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on Window, which will open a drop-down menu with various options. From that menu, select General and then click on Assets. This action opens the Assets panel, which is where you'll manage all your imported design elements and resources. If the panel isn't already visible, this is the quickest way to bring it onto your workspace. Once the Assets panel appears on the right side of your screen, you'll notice a small down arrow button right beside the word Assets at the top of the panel. Click on this button to reveal additional options. These options let you manage your asset categories and perform tasks like importing and exporting asset libraries. From the menu that appears, select Import Assets. This is the key step that allows you to bring external asset files into your Affinity Designer workspace. Imported assets can include icons, UI components, decorative graphics, templates, and many other reusable design elements. Although I don't have the Affinity assets to show you in this example, I will guide you through the next step so you know exactly what to do when you have your files ready. A file browser window will open up on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the assets you want to import. If you've downloaded an asset pack from a trusted source or received one from a colleague, this is where you'll select it. Once you've found the correct file, select it and then click Open. This tells Affinity Designer to begin processing and adding those assets to your panel. Make sure you've selected the correct asset file before proceeding to avoid importing the wrong library. After clicking Open, wait for the import to complete. Depending on the size of your asset file, this might take just a moment or a bit longer, so be patient while the application processes everything. Larger asset collections with many categories or graphics may take slightly longer to finish importing. Once the import is finished, your assets will appear in the Assets panel, ready for you to drag and drop into your designs whenever you need them. Having your favorite assets organized in one place can significantly speed up your design process and help you maintain consistency across multiple projects. And that's it. You've successfully imported assets into Affinity Designer, giving you quick access to all your favorite design elements. As you continue using Affinity Designer, you can build a personalized asset library that saves you time and keeps your workflow organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.